Happy video day, guys. Today's video is very exciting for me. It's super exciting. Now, this may be a total fail video, like I might end up crying in the middle of this video, but it actually might be really, really good. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing the November 2020 Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail. Literally, FedEx left it next to my garbage can. Like if it was one of the boxes to throw out, and I saw it there and I go, oh, no. And I went and picked it up. I picked it up really, really quick because there is supposed to be a Natasha Denona custom, I believe, palette for Boxycharm inside of the November 2020 box. That's why I'm not full face of makeup right now. I literally only have foundation and stuff. I don't even have a lipstick on yet because I don't know what color I want to put on depending on if this palette is even inside my box or not. Here's the thing, is that I read online that not every single one of the boxes is going to have this palette inside. And I don't get PR from Boxycharm. I get PR from Ipsy, I get PR from Glossybox. I've got a few subscription boxes that I get PR from, but not Boxycharm. I don't really know if there's going to be a Natasha Denona palette in here. So I'm kind of excited to see if the regular boxes are getting this palette or not. And I'm actually kind of nervous because I really hope I get it. You guys know I love Natasha Denona. Huge Natasha Denona fan. So I just love her matte formula. It's just like one of my favorites. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. So we're going to unbox this together. I don't have any eye makeup on because I'm hoping that there's a palette in here. If there is not, oh my God, I'm going to be so disappointed. But anyways, let's go ahead and let's get into this right now. Okay. I see a palette. I see a palette. Yes. I think I got it. Okay, so this month is Boxycharm and the month's box is called Harvest and you get every single one of the items. I got the number 9, so my variation is 9. I'm happy to see that it's not like 35. Ooh, there's a Natasha Denona 25% off coupon. I'm going to put this code down in the description box in case you guys want to use it. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel already. Hit that little bell and notification. I've got a really awesome giveaway going on until the end of Christmas. If you guys haven't seen my advent calendar giveaway, check it out. It's really cool. But I think I got the palette. So here we go. Here we go. It's called the Peak palette, and Natasha Denona's palettes usually come in a box like this. And then Christina breaks it. And yes, it's that. It's the palette. I'm so excited. Oh, this is gonna match what I'm wearing. Oh my God, I didn't do it on purpose. This is cute. Ooh, these are really pretty colors. Wow, I'm actually pretty shocked. They're really pretty colors. Typically when you hear a brand is doing like a collab for like a subscription box, you don't think the colors are going to be that cute. But maybe this isn't. Maybe this is not just, maybe this isn't just for Boxycharm. I don't know. This looks like a palette that she would sell everywhere. Tell me, is this just for Boxycharm or is this just a regular palette? That is really pretty. All right, so we're gonna do an eye look with this. We're gonna do an eye look with this, but let me go ahead and unbox everything else and then we'll get into that. But let me read. Hello, it probably says it here. It's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha Denona's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments. And it doesn't say anywhere here that it's curated just for Boxycharm, so this may be. So this is formulas from Biba, Safari, and Sunrise palettes, which is great. Okay, so it retails for $48. I don't have the Biba, but some of these do look like the Safari palette, so very cool. All right. So next we have this. So this is a liquid corrector. A liquid corrector, what does that mean? Light cover, oh, dark circle corrector. Oh my God, I just ordered another one of these. All right, so this is from Jecca Blac, and it's a under eye corrector, which actually is pretty exciting. I've been looking for a good one. I've tried a few already. Maybe I'll do a whole video on every single one I've tried because I'm looking for a really, really good one. And I have a Bobbi Brown one coming. Thank you to my subscriber that recommended that one to me. So this right here is $15. And it's an under eye brightener that disguises darkness and it evens out the skin tone. So I always need this. I do have veins under my eyes that are starting to show up more than I would like. So, okay, very cool. Next we have this Earth Harbor Helios. I just got this in Glossybox, I think, or something similar. I think it was the same brand at least. Okay, no, the Glossybox one was green and this one is red. I don't know if it's the same product, just different colors. Probably not. It's probably something different. But this right here is, so this is to balance the skin's pH and smooth lines and wrinkles, and it retails for $48. So that's actually really cool, but I did just get one of these. I think it's part of the giveaway that I'm doing just right now. So, all right, what's next? So we have the Esmeralda by Beauty Creations. What is this? I haven't been seeing sneak peeks, guys, so I have really no idea what's inside these boxes. The only reason I knew about the Natasha Denona one was because, I mean, you couldn't go to a page without somebody talking about it. But, oh, it's another eyeshadow palette. What? Double eyeshadow palettes? And this reminds me of the subculture from Anastasia. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes in one box. That is very interesting. I don't think that's ever happened before with Boxycharm. So this retails for $13.99, and wow, that's really cool. It's actually very, very, very pretty colors, but I'm definitely using the Natasha Denona one today. And no way! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Gimme Brow. Ooh! Okay, you guys know that I have been using the Gimme Brow, and it's what I have on my eyebrows today. I'm obsessed with it, like now, like obsessed. And I just bought a new one from Sephora, but this is in shade 3. So that actually could come in handy because I usually wear 3.75 because pretty soon this hair is going to get highlighted again whenever I can get back to a salon. This whole portion here is usually like an ashy blonde color, and right now it's like my natural color, so maybe when it's more ashy blonde I'll want to go a little bit lighter with the brows, so that might come in handy. So I'm excited. Ooh, there was even a Give Me Brow in here. This is cool. I was wondering if there would be a lip product, but I guess there's not. So let me tell you how much the Give Me Brow retails for. I just bought it, so it's $24. Really good product. If you guys got that product, ooh, that's good. Okay, so this was an awesome box. This was an awesome box. I thought there was going to be a lip product in here. That's why I don't have lipstick on, but I guess there's not. So we wasted the entire video with no lipstick on. But let's go ahead and let's play with the Natasha Denona palette. Let's put some lipstick on and let's get a little prettier here. All right, so let's go ahead and let's play with this. I'm excited. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm going to jump into this shade right here, and I'm going to use that kind of like towards the eyebrow and just kind of like blend that all in. It's looking like a Natasha Denona palette to me. Literally, I don't know. To me, she has the best formula. I am obsessed with Natasha Denona. I've said it a million times. She has not let me down. I just love her palettes. I mean, the color story is just a give or take. It depends on if you like the color stories that she comes out with, but definitely the formulas have just been so good. All right, so let's grab this shade right here, and I just want to kind of like, ooh, that feels good. Okay, so this looks to me like, oh yes, this is definitely Natasha Denona to me. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god. I'm excited. I'm just gonna put this all over. Yes, 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 yes. A little fallout like always, but okay, so I'm gonna jump into the deepest shade in here, and I'm gonna kind of use it to do like a V shape to the eyes. That's gonna help me lift my eyes up a little bit. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm loving it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab into this color right here, put that in the inner portion of the eyes. Just want to kind of do a little bit of a matte inner corner. Some of those other colors down in the lower lash line, so I'm going to jump into this one, then I'm going to go into the deeper color. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I love this. Okay, I didn't use this shade just because I think this just looks so good like this. I'm going to put on some mascara, put on a pretty lip, and this look will be done, and I'm oh my god. Alright guys, and this is the final look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this Natasha Denona little mini palette. This is, well, this isn't a mini. This is like her, she has a lot of sizes now. I don't even know. This is like the bigger version of her minis. Like her typical 5-pan palettes usually look like this. These are pretty pricey, $48. So it's usually $48. These are her pricier, smaller palettes. I am in love. I literally think this is beautiful. So now I'm going to just tell you guys, I think that people are going to enjoy this palette more than they're going to enjoy the Trio Chrome, which is the brand new palette that just released from her. And I'm just going to throw that out there just because this right here is very easy to use. So I think for everybody, people are going to love this. The Trio Chrome is, you know, it's very fun. It's beautiful. I enjoy it. It's going to be a typical type of person that's really going to want to use those colors, but this right here is very universal. I think a lot of people are going to love this palette. If you guys got this in Boxycharm, let me know down below, what do you think, and are you now obsessed with Natasha Denona's formula? This is everything. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. If I decided to cancel Boxycharm right now, I think the past 2 years of this subscription would have been worth it just to know that at the end I was getting this palette right here. Like seriously, like that. That's how much I love this. So I love this box. I think that there was a lot of really good products in it. I think the hero products for me is the Natasha Denona palette and this Gimme Brow, two products that I think are fantastic. And then of course this right here, the color corrector, for somebody like me, this is a big deal. This is something that I would actually want to try, because if you have dark circles, this is like, hey, I want to try out a new product to cover up those dark circles. I think that's a really awesome product to get in a subscription box. And the other two that I didn't talk about were still very good as well. The oil and the other palette, both of these look really nice as well. So I think that this has been the best box that I have gotten from Boxycharm in a long time. Like a wow box. This moved me. This was good. This was good. So the box does retail for $25 US. If you guys can see, this was really, really worth it. So yeah. So anyways, guys, let me know down below what you got in your box, and hopefully everybody or almost everybody is getting this palette in their box. Let me know if you got it down below. But anyways, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later.